Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about JavaScript map loop. In very simple words, a map loop in JavaScript is a way to go through each item in an array, do something to each item and then put result into a new array. It does not change the original array, instead it creates a new array, one with the modified items. Map loop creates a new array and stores the values of original array. It don't do the changes in the original array. It make a new array and then change the values and items in that. Like I will write an example. I will create a variable numbers. Numbers. I guess I will create and then I will keep this. I will make an array then here and I will give it give it five values 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then I will make another variable and I will name it squared numbers. Squared numbers. Like here it have given suggestion that squared numbers is equal to numbers dot map. It have already given suggestion, but I will write myself to make you understand. So I have created an variable squared numbers. Now I will give its value like numbers. I will write here numbers because I want to use this one array. This is numbers my this array. 1 2 3 4 5. The values are stored in this numbers because we have taken our variable this numbers and we are using it here. Then I will write here dot map method. To write loop map loop we have to use here dot map loop like method. Then I will create a function here. You can create arrow function too, but I will create a normal function because it would be easy for you. Function. And I will pass the parameter. I will give its parameter num like this. I will give and then I will start the curly braces like this. Then I will do here use here return. Return is a keyword meaning we want this like it's work like if and else, like if we will use return value keyword then it will do what we want. Like here if I will give my condition num multiplied by num, like this I will use. So here its meaning is that the value of num. So what's the value of num? Value of num is squared numbers, and the value of squared number is coming from numbers, and numbers are our original array. So its meaning is we have created our new array num, and in that num our all values are stored, and all the values will change in this num array, not in our numbers. So this is map loop function. So now as you can see here, I will remove this bracket, it is extra bracket. Here I will remove it and this one I will remove from here. Okay. So now we have written our code till here. I will cross this curly braces. Now it's got this much, meaning we have given our whole condition. So now just we have to print it. I will write here console.log. Here I will got space, I will cancel it. Now it's console.log. We want to console.log square number, because if we will console our original array, so array will print, but we have given our condition return num multiplied by num, meaning the values of array will be multiplied by itself. Like 1 will multiply by 1, 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1, 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4, 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. So like this it will take the square of all numbers. So that's why I have given the variable squared numbers. So now I will write here squared numbers. So I will simply copy this one and paste it here like this. And now I will give here space and like this. Then I will run the program. So here error is coming that syntax missing after argument. So here it's coming an error. So why it's coming, I will tell. Because here we have to close our function this bracket, and we didn't have closed. So how to close? I will add here a parenthesis. This function, this starting as this num is a parameter, and it bracket started from this bracket and ended here. But the function means this function parenthesis is started from here. So but we didn't have ended. So now here I have closed the parenthesis. Now when I will run, it will run, and as you can see, it's printed. Square is printed. One square is 1 because 1 is always 1. And then 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, and 5 square is 25. So as you can see, our one example is completed successfully. Now we will come to our second example, that I will create here a variable let words. I will create a words name, this variable. Here is suggestion is came at hello world goodbye. In this goodbye place I will write JavaScript. It would be more good. JavaScript. As you can see, I have created an array. Hello world JavaScript. Its values are three values are. I have created an array. Its name is worlds, like this. Now I will create my other variable, that let upper worlds. I will make other variable. Its name is uppercase words. Meaning in this one, in this example, we will capitalize all the letters in the array, meaning all letters will be capitalized. So I will write hello like this. Now here I will write my original array name. It is words. I will write here words, and dot app method I will use here. Then I will create a function like this. I will create a function and I will pass parameter. I will pass its parameter word like this. As you can see, I did. So now I will start the array, meaning I will start the function here. This one I will bring it here, and then I will close it. Just I will remove the space, extra space is here. Okay, now I will write my code here. So now I want to return, like I will here return word. Word is our parameter here. Word dot uppercase. I will write here two uppercase like this. Two uppercase, as you can see, suggestion is came here. Two uppercase dot two uppercase is a method in JavaScript to capitalize our any text. So it's not any variable, it is JavaScript own method. So now it is a method. So for method we use parenthesis like this. I will use here parenthesis, and then I will terminate it here. I will use here terminator, then I will terminate. Now I will console it to print it. I will print it like console.log uppercase words. I will this one variable I will print. Now I will run the program. So as you will see that all the values would be capitalized. As you can see here, we have written all the values in lowercase, meaning it's not capitalized. But now after our this example, it is capitalized now. So we can use map loop like this too. Now we will come to our third example, that now here I will create an object. Let people. Let people is equal to, here I will start now this. I will create an array, but in that array I will store objects. So as you can see, here I will write my curly braces. Curly braces are used to make objects, and the square brackets are used to make arrays. So I will make objects in the array. So I will write here name. I will write here name like this, and in name I will write anything. Like here suggestion is came, so I will accept it, and I will change the name. I will change it to like Aryan. I will keep its name. Then I will use comma because we have to use comma after every object value. Now I will like this. I will use it. Then I will give my some one other value and key. Here I will give now. So I will keep the name Ali. Ali I will use here. And its age is 30. It's okay. We can keep the age 32. And now here I will use. Here we will use here like Rizwan. Like this. And then we will keep its age to 40 like this. And I will in the last one key and value we no need to put the comma, so I will remove this comma from here like this. And now I will terminate this array like this. Now I will come down here, and now here I will create another variable names like this. Names is equal to people. This replit is very intelligent AI. It is using that's why it's giving me all example like suggestions properly, but I will write all examples myself. Here I will now write function. I will pass my parameter person like this. Like this I will use. Okay. So now here I will use my return keyword. Like this I will use my return keyword and I will pass my parameter here. Person dot name. I will use here and then I will terminate it. Now I will console this array. I will console it now. Console.log, and we want name. So I will copy this name and paste it here. Now I will run the program. So an error will come because I looked it that here we have put one code and it's not because we can't use it at numbers. So first I will tell you that what is going to happen here. Here dot name meaning is name these keys. So name value is all these keys values are names. What is Aryan, Ali and Rizwan? And we have said here dot name. Person is our this parameter, and parameter is our this names, and our names is storing our people array, and in our people array there are these objects, and in that object there are keys and values, and from that keys which are name keys, meaning which keys name is name, print that key values. So here are three name and their values are Aryan, Ali, Rizwan. So only and only Aryan, Ali and Rizwan will print. As you can see, it's printed. So like this, we can use our map loop. So thank you guys in this video. Only this much. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.